Do it. It's over. Ooh. Stop doing that.
No, not my nuts.
That's the truth. So basically, I'm in San Rafael. I went on a hike. This is some pictures. Basically, I have been bored all quarantine, so I was trying to figure out a way to have fun with my friends. And so we had a giant Nerf war.
So we are here at the park. We're gonna have a Nerf war because we're 5. Got Mikkel and Michael over there in the yellow. Rules are, if you get shot, you get a 5-second grace period. You get shot 3 times, you're out. Last person alive wins. Let's go. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Mikkel won round 1. We're gonna go on to the next map, Nuketown. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Watch it, boy. Ah, you didn't get me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just
I got you. No! No! Let's go! So Mikkel won round 2, unfortunately. Alright, round 3, the benches. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast.
Oh shit.
Run.
Michael, how do you feel after he completely obliterated and chased you out of the blue?
Fuck this kid, bro.
How do you feel after going undefeated and winning all 3 rounds?
Honestly, it was a really good match. Y'all just suck ass.
Kinda like the feeling after your first kiss, except that every day she makes me feel like this.
G-man.